Unscrew the bottle and put it in a specific cleaning solution, diluted with water. The dilution is specified on the product label. Screw the bottle and activate it by raising the switch under the water unit. Remove the instruments from the cordons . Place them in the dental unit spittoon. Sanitation of the internal water system removes the microfilm created in the internal tubes that serve water to the instruments. This operation prevents the instruments from stopping and allows them to supply fresh water to the patients. This operation should be done between patients. We suggest doing it at least once a day. Activate them by pressing the pedal. After 20 seconds, interrupt the procedure for 2 minutes and let the solution act. You can also find this kind of product directly from our company. After that time, drain the cordons until the water ends. Refresh the bottle and repeat the operation just using water. When the operation ends, place the cordons on the doctor tray. And put it in the original position, the bottle switch under the water unit.